A moderate magnitude 4.3 earthquake occurred in the South Pacific Ocean 236 kilometers, 147 miles from New Zealand in the evening of Sunday, May 11, 2025 at 8:27 p.m. local time, GMT +12. The quake had a very shallow depth of 12 kilometers, 7 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, GEONET, NZ. After 4 minutes. The earthquake occurred 1 day 2 hours after a magnitude 4.4 earthquake had hit on Saturday, May 10, 2025, at 6:30 p.m. GMT +12 local time. In 39 kilometers, 24 miles, distance to the west. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.